as we also big up Andrew Basie, All-Star Band, Kizzy, Marlon, second Kizzy, Shimar, guitarist, Apache Kian on the drum. We have Christopher Huey, and on the bass line is original Andrew Basie. Our sponsors for tonight is Pusha Youth, Zen Studio. We have Urban Vine Media. And most of all, we thanks for the support tonight. The next artist we have on stage, give a hand for give it a hand for Amlak Red Square. Amlak Red Square on stage tonight. We welcome the I and I and I. Welcome. Well, blessings, blessings. Yeah, man. I must say blessed night to each and every one who turn out and give thanks for going out and coming, you know? Yeah, man. Push out you, pick up yourself, my brother. Love the events, love the vibes, love the joy we are create. You see me, I said them things are needed. Needed. We need to preserve the culture, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Live band music, you know? Yeah, JNR, big up yourself, you know. You don't know. UTH likewise. What I want to say? Andrew Basie All Stars. So the idea must say, everything blessed? Yes, idea. Alright. Ain't right. Put a picture so with the brush, the picture still no paint right. Would I hear me? Yeah, man. Would I hear me? Yes, man. Even a blind man could have said something ain't right, something ain't right. Put a picture so with the brush, the picture still no paint right. Only the good stuff in the picture, matter of fact is straight right. Plan the epic, them exit stage right. Dance up, put up a fight. Spot a Benz and ride the price. Now sell out we on a bunch of even get about the price. When the rise and cut the cake, if we get to you, we get a couple slice. This time of them alone, we live nice. Give me a mix. We get the music, keep us up. No one hears them a find dancehall music. See? Remember one time we couldn't play on the radio, you have to play in them settings here. You see me? So we see them a try to capitalize our fight, but then I really know what to do with it, you know? Because of our music and the people's music. See? So like we said, we have to preserve the culture, you know? We have to preserve the culture. No surprise to see you're comfortable making some speeches, then you want to wrap it up with blood, ticks and leeches. Level, come on, let me hear me. I said, quite intimate, you know? No surprise to see you're comfortable making some speeches, then you want to profit up with blood, ticks and leeches. Lock down the place, man, time go a river in peace, but we see tourists flying in and taking walks on beaches. To his own inches, John Marcus teaches, self-reliant, take it out, yourself, you're twice defeated. Continue regulation from the poor man feeding, not gonna lead to revolution. The landing places, even the blind man could have said something ain't right, something ain't right. Put a Picasso with the brush, the picture still don't paint right. Spark fences up, my ain't right, it ain't right. A freedom fires that ignite. Give me a mix now. Music make it go something and I make it. I'm actually going to be word. Then it's easy, I don't need to know now. Somebody make a road, let me stop the game, let me stop it. The music make it go something and I make it. The basic must be heard. Me say, make them know them can't stop the dance of transfer. I don't know them take them own advice. We going out and tell them say, play the music make it go something and I make it. Play the music make it go something and I make it. Play the music make it go something and I make it. Play the music make it push on your traffic. Play the music make it go something and I make it. Outside. Yes, I. Someone big up yourself, you know, like myself. I love the setting, I love the energy, I love the vibes, you know. And you know the thing, bro. You can't keep it all same time, yeah? Yeah, man. But if we keep the fire burning, you know, we give thanks to the invite. And we are kick off Reggae Month the right way. Yes, sir. See? Yeah. Now this one is called My Experience, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Now this one is called My Experience, you know? Beauty, big up yourself. I'm just want to reason with the people a little bit, you know? Yeah. Like I said, my name is Amlak Red Square. Spragga Banks for general anyway in the world, big up yourself, you know what I mean? Give thanks for providing the platform. No more talk about my movements, you know, the things that I got through, the things that we got through. See? Ready? My experiences taught me well. Every smart smile mean you're well. Searching for ways to break the spell. Got to move on. Even with the men, now I soon you want them gem. Any moment them switch, never can tell. It's just a bit in the heaven, walking in there. Got to be strong, 'cause I got so much truth. I'm not looking back. Yeah, we got so much truth. Still I got to keep my legs intact. Yeah, we got so much trouble. If you don't let me a free and fat. Yeah, we got so much trouble. Make my train and track. When you got the world up on them shoulders, you struggling to keep them feet flat. I think you played above still water. When you in the deep, you kick your feet. Cause on every helping hand, but with a simple plan. It's what you want, but not really what you need. When the book of hardship end up in the African sand, don't neglect the fine print you read. And we got so much trouble. I'm not looking back. Yeah, we got so much. So like I said, that's my journey alone, you know. Play level. All of we have got through some struggles in this time, you know. But you have to know to balance yourself. Because everything is about balance, you know, positive and negative, you know. So you have to find that balance. Keep your head above water, you know. Once you can center yourself, everything alright. Again. So much joy. So much joy. Are you ready now? Alright. devil with them hell no was so. You and them jail. Any moment them switch, never can tell. Think they stepping in heaven, walking in hell. Had to be strong, 'cause I got so much joy. I'm not looking back. Yeah, we got so much joy. Still I got to keep my beds intact. Yeah, we got so much trouble. If you know that me not feel back. Yeah, we got so much trouble. Keep my train on track. Many got the world up on their shoulders. You struggling to keep them feet, Lord. I think he cared above still water. When in the deep you kick your feet. 'Cause not every helping hand come with a simple plan. It's what you want but not really what you need. When the book of hardship end up in the African sand, don't neglect the fine print we read. I got so much trouble. Not looking back. Yeah, we got so much trouble. Got to keep my beds intact. Yeah, we got so much trouble. If you don't make me happy and back. So much trouble. Alright, listen to that part now. Want to listen to that part now, you know. I know every generation things change. See? So when our mother and her mother and your mother got you and learn. A different time now, in this time where we are learning now and where we are going through the things that we learn from our journey. The things that we accept as right now. Different times in different times, isn't it? So we have a old lady have a conversation on the phone. See? And let me explain it in a song. Conversations with my mom on the phone yesterday. She said, son, don't worry. She said, you're covered by the blood of Jesus, and one day you're gonna rise up in his glory. Listen, generations of lies passed down through the times. Mama moving quite freely, but she shackled in the mind. And I respectfully hold my tongue. But this a one tradition we now pass down to me young. And it still saddens me to see your mentally shackled how my people be. It still saddens me to see your mentally shackled how my people be. Saddens me. Saddens me to see your mentally shackled all my people be. This is the free. Say we got so much trouble. I'm not looking back. Yeah, we got so much trouble. Still I got to keep my legs intact. Yeah, we got so much trouble. If you don't let me up, feel I'm not. Yeah, we got so much trouble. Follow me. So much trouble in the world. So much trouble in the world. So much trouble. So much trouble. Yeah, you know? Whole heap of troubles, you know, but you have to stay firm, you know? You have to stay solid within, you know? Yeah, man. Reality. Alright. You ready? Yes, sir. So like I said, my name is Amlak Red Square. See, you don't know, we living in the social media era, so you know you can find me on all platforms. My name is spelled AMLAKREBSQUARA. Amlak, Red Square. See? Right out of the Sprague Benz label. You don't know Dunkirk, East Kingston. That's where we hail from. You see me? Straight. You say, still ready? Alright. Blaze it now. Yeah. Don't know when I name separation there, you know. I don't know roots and culture we say, you know. Straight. Ready? You know when they want to feel but the pressure we feel in it. When they want to feel but the people can't deal with it. Yeah. Roots and culture, you know. We have been protecting the culture from the hypocrites and the vulture, alright? You don't know when they want me feel, but the pressure me feeling it. Hey. Know when they want me feel, but the people can't deal with it. Why? You pay the price for government nice. I ain't gonna really want to rush through that one and want to pay level. Again. We don't know when they want me feel, but the pressure we feeling it. Hey. We don't know when they want me feel, but the people can't deal with it. Why? We pay the price while government nice and them pocket not feeling it. Hey. Again. We don't know when they want me feel, but the pressure we feeling it. Hey. We don't know when they want me feel, but the people can't deal with it. Why? We pay the price while government nice and them pocket not feeling it. Hey. Want our slice, what up is spice. Would have been nice so we you them can feed from it. That's separation end. Just tell me when prosperity begin. Them promise prosperity, don't it? Separation end. Just tell me when prosperity begin. See you can come over him and them want separation end. Just tell me when prosperity begin. You can come over jungle and want separation end. Just tell me when prosperity begin. Make your whole of your one and get free from me. All the promises that you have made, and opportunities that you create. In the face of that, this and the two represent that we live in it. Hey, and the fake narratives that you create can only lead to this mess of them place, encouraging looting, shooting, murder, senseless killing. Hey, it's the culture of corruption. It's the culture of corruption. Could I hear me? It's the culture of corruption. It's the culture of corruption, right? It's the culture of corruption. It's the culture of corruption, love. Culture of corruption, love. Yeah, yeah. Alright. We want this separation end. Tell me when prosperity begin. You them over Dunkirk, them want separation end. Just tell me when prosperity begin. You from down a dream and them want separation end. Just tell me when prosperity begin. Want the separation end. Just tell me when prosperity begin. Level. Me say this. Signs of the times. Oh, I thought my life it would be better. Each day I rise, I notice all the violence in these times. Seems my life is only a get dreader. Dreader, my brother. It's obvious Babylon mission is to corrupt the youth them mind. Just sell out the population with the contracts where them assign. Me say yeah, time after time. Instead of more morals getting lesser. That's why I put my life and soul in it. Life is here for everyone. So I can't afford for Babylon to distract I from this very important mission. Paul Bogle, Samuel Sharp, give me division. I put my life and soul in it. Life is here for every man. So I can't afford for Babylon to distract I from this very important mission. Slew the peace and burn some politician. Alive, we want this separation then. Tell me when prosperity begin. We want this separation then. Just tell me when prosperity See? No. I just want to talk a cappella before we move. See, this is the final track. And you don't know, as I say, a positive vibe, positive energy. And we just want to leave with a message. You see me, I say, I just want to come perform and because you don't know, it's a time and place, you see me? And you don't know. This is now the time to hear that message. Well, what is harder to attain is harder to maintain. So never you live a life where cause you strain. It no make no sense the world you gain and then reduce to shame. So you man who no call up on your name. Your name. What is harder to attain is harder to maintain. So never you live a life where cause you strain. It no make no sense the world you gain and then reduce to shame. So you man who no call up on your name. Why? If you never love no youth, you would be evil in the world. He'll give you your blessing and make you possessing your diamonds and your pearl. Nobody not say you be Christ-like, but if you chase the bright lights and not do what the Father like, your blessing vanish overnight. Life it full up of ups and downs and change and turn around. You're floating in the cloud today, tomorrow you can't be found. Nobody not tell you the shot when you make a go score and it a go rebound. You got to be sure that the foundation is built on solid ground. For what is harder to attain, it's harder to maintain. So never you live no life where cause you strain. As it no make no sense the world you gain and then reduce to shame. So you man who no call upon your name. What is harder to attain, it's harder to sustain. So never you live a life where cause you strain. Cause it no make no sense the world we gain and then reduce to shame. So you man who no call upon your name. Why? We love the chorus, you know. Yes, we love it. Every man with a love for own a house and own a car. Some man make up their mind for juggle their peanut and them star. Some man love the quick and easy deal when they are. Them would sell them own a soul for some champagne and caviar. It no make no sense you gain the world and lose your soul. Every day you practice evil, playing the gangster role. Retribution, it will take you when you're weak and getting old. Sentence to yourself with no appeal and no parole. Before your time run out, your dirty ways you got to change. And seek the Father blessing like a shelter from the rain. Learn your lesson, bear your burden, carry your load and don't complain. Wear your wisdom all the while, like a necklace or a chain. For what is harder to attain, it's harder to maintain. So never you live a life where cause you strain. Cause it no make no sense the world you gain then reduce to shame. So you man who no fi call upon your name. Your name. It's harder to attain, it's harder to sustain. So never you live a life where cause you strain. And it no make no sense the world you gain and then reduce to shame. Want to leave you with the last part. I want to leave you with the last part. That's a message, you know. I want to leave you with the last part. See? Just you live the luxury life. Some man willing to sell them wife as if they don't know earthly wealth can vanish overnight. And evil men when not live right, them life is like the darkest night. But righteous minds can always find the way to see the light. So never you envy evil men and never you try to be them friend. And all who end them heart too high, we pray for them. For what is harder to attain, it's harder to maintain. So never you live a life where cause you strain. As it no make no sense the world you gain then reduce to shame. You man no fi call upon your name. Your name. It's harder to attain, it's harder to sustain. Never you live a life where cause you strain. As it no make no sense the world you gain and then reduce to shame. You man no fi call upon your name. Give thanks, my name is Amlak. Experience blessed love to each and every one of them. Pusha, you big up yourself, you don't know. Jayana, big up yourself, brother. UT, Simone, salute. The band, Andrew Basie, All Stars. Hallelujah, see? Blessed love. That's the fire, yeah? Yeah, man, blessed love, man, blessed love.
Give a hand for Amlak Red Square. Consciousness. Consciousness. I'm the MC for night.